When people are lame, they love to blame. The most successful people in life are the ones who ask questions. They're always learning. They're always growing. They're always pushing. You get one life. Live it in a way that inspires someone. Never say you cannot afford something. That is a poor man's attitude. Ask how to afford it. Going into our fear and confronting our greed, our weaknesses, and our neediness is the way out. And the way out is through the mind, by choosing our thoughts. Remember, your mind is your greatest asset, so be careful what you put into it. It's easier to stand on the sidelines, criticize, and say why you shouldn't do something. The sidelines are crowded. Get in the game. Don't be addicted to money. Work to learn. Don't work for money. Work for knowledge. Starting a business is like jumping out of an airplane without a parachute. In mid-air, the entrepreneur begins building a parachute and hopes it opens before hitting the ground. Being an entrepreneur is simply going from one mistake to the next. You must have the fortitude to continue on. Business is like a wheelbarrow. Nothing happens until you start pushing. When I started my last business, I didn't receive a paycheck for 13 months. The average person can handle that pressure. Broke is temporary, and poor is eternal. The trouble with school is they give you the answer, then they give you the exam. That's not life. The richest people in the world build networks. Everyone else is trained to look for work. Most people want everyone else in the world to change themselves. Let me tell you, it's easier to change yourself than everyone else. We go to school to learn to work hard for money. I write books and create products that teach people how to have money and work hard for them. Complaining about your current position in life is worthless. Have a spine and do something about it instead. The fear of being different prevents most people from seeking new ways to solve their problems. Excuses cost a dime, and that's why the poor could afford a lot of them.